Hello! In today's video I'm going to be showing you my Ring Smart Tyre Inflator. Anyway, roll titles! Yes, that's right, I've got my Ring Smart Tyre Inflator here, and in this video today I'm going to be unboxing it and setting it up and then using it to inflate the tyres on Vicky's car. How will it work? Does it work? Is it any good? Well, we'll find that out. I mean, on paper it sounds excellent. It is a smart tyre inflator, as the name says, and it actually has an app that works on Apple or Android phones, and it connects to the tyre inflator, and you can search for your car with the registration, and then it will give you the correct tyre pressure and send it to the device, and you can monitor your tyres and pump them up to the correct pressure. It sounds brilliant, but is it really? Well, I guess we'll have to find out. So what we'll do now is we'll move over to the table and unbox this. Well, I guess the time has come for us to look inside my Ring Smart Tyre Inflator box and see what the product looks like. So let's get it out of the box and have a little look. I must admit, I've been waiting to show you my Ring Smart Tyre Inflator for a very long time. So, you know, I'm glad the time has finally come to show you my Ring Smart Tyre Inflator. Okay, so there seems to be two items in the box. What do we have? The Smart Tyre Inflator app enabled. And what is this? It's a little introduction to show you how you can use your Ring effectively. It's all pretty straightforward, nice clear instructions, but yeah, we've got to download and install the app. I think we'll do that when I actually get my Ring outside. Now, this sort of thing is the kind of thing that I would love to keep in the car with me. You just never know when you'd need a Ring Smart Tyre Inflator. So this is good. I was thinking it would be great if this was in some kind of case to keep it in the safe in the car, and it is. So let's get into the Ring. Oh, that is smart. I like that. It's a tight fit for the Ring in this case, so just bear that in mind. Look at this, it's all in one. I'm pleasantly surprised by my Ring inflator. So what have we got? Okay, so this is for your tyres. You can put that on your tyres there, screw in your Ring, and you are good to go. Obviously, there's no power going into this because it is run from the cigarette lighter, so the power button does nothing. But also, look, it's got a little handy light on the side. That is good. Oh, what do we have here? I like this. I like this a lot. So we have got some nozzles. If you want to blow up your balls with your Ring, you can do it there. If you want to blow up your inflatables, you can do it with your Ring. And I'm not quite sure what this nozzle is for. But they all slot together really nicely in your Ring and all clamp onto the back, which is super handy. And then we've got to, of course, plug in the Ring to the car. And yeah, it comes with a sort of standard cigarette lighter adapter. I assume this works off 12 volts and 24 volts. And oh look, you can even wind your Ring in nicely, like that. So that actually looks pretty nice. I'm impressed with my Ring so far. And then you can just tuck it away. That it's nice and compact, and it packs away neatly into this cute little unit. So there's not much else to say about how my Ring looks. I'm pretty pleased with it. It's pretty tidy. It's nice and clean, and it's got a smart design to it. So I really hope that it's as good IRL. That's what all the cool kids say, isn't it? Actually, I need to see what the that little adapter is for. Oh, it's got a deflator valve as well, so you can actually deflate the car tyres should you need to if the pressure's too high. Ah, look, there we go. That explains it. That is an adapter for bikes. So we can do inflatables, balls, and bikes with it. Perfect. Most of the clever stuff within this comes from the app, so we will get the app installed when we finally use this. So yeah, I think what is best for us to do now is take my ring outside, squat next to the car, and have a little play. So yeah, let's go outside with my ring and see how well it works. So here I am outside, and I've got my ring with me, and yeah, we're going to pump up the tyres on the car. And first of all, we need to get the app out and connect to the ring. So let me make sure you can see my screen. There we go, we're in the Ring Connect app. Okay, yep, terms and conditions, etc, etc. Okay, so we need to add the vehicle details. We can do that. So this is Vicky's car. Perfect. And then we'll search for it. Hopefully it'll find it. There we go, it's found it. It's a T-Roc. Correct. So added the vehicle. Now we need to go into the tyre setup. And what kind of tyres does she have? Okay, so we've got 225 40R19. Perfect, found it. There we go. So the unladen pressure on this particular car is 36 psi at the front, and laden is 39 psi. Now the car's empty at the moment, so it's not laden. Now we just need to double check that the back tyres are the same. They should be, but they might not be. Yep, those are all good. So we can save that. So now we go into the inflator section. Yes, we have a ring tyre inflator. No, we don't want to see this again. Okay. Yes, this is powered up. Bluetooth is on. We'll allow it while using the app. Perfect. There we go. We're now connected, and we need to get the ring onto the car. So let's do that. So the tyre inflator is hand elite there. So let's just unscrew that. Now this needs quite an inflate, because it's actually down to 28.5 and the pressure it should be is 36. That's mad. So if we tap to inflate, it's doing its job. And that's it, it's all inflated. Perfect. There you go, it's showing green on the app. And yeah, that's the front left. So we'll go and do the rear left now. So come with me and I'll take you to do that. So we'll just take the dust cap off here and plug in the ring. Okay, so what's the rear pressure at? Okay, so it's showing the rear pressure as 30.5 and it should be up at 36. So we better inflate. Done. Now what's good to notice about this is you might not be able to see it on the screen, but the display is lit, so that's super handy, especially if you're out doing this in the dark. And also you've got the torch, which again is good if you're out in the dark doing this. I mean, I'm really impressed with this unit so far. So I'm going to go and do the other two tyres. You don't want to watch all of that, and yeah, we'll come back and have a little chat about it. So there we go, that is a quick guide to the Ring Smart Tyre Inflator, and I really like it. It's a cool bit of kit and it's around about the £50 mark, and I think it's great value for money. It's not cheap and nasty feeling. I've had tyre inflators before that just felt a bit almost dangerous, but this is really quite nice, and I love how it connects with the smart app to pump up your tyres to the exact correct pressure. And it's also got a mode where you can check for leaks in the tyre, and it basically inflates the tyre up for about 10 minutes and just monitors for any changes in pressure, and that will let you know if you're leaking air anywhere. So it's pretty cool. I mean, is it worth 50 quid? I'd say so. If it stands the test of time and you know, works every time you pull it out of your boot, then definitely. And also the app is really cool because you can have several cars set up in there. So I can put Vicky's car in it and I can put my car in it, and you know, every so often I can go out and check the tyre pressures, and I don't have to remember them or refer to the handbook. It's just all there in the app, and I can keep a check on them and see if, you know, any tyres are losing pressure more rapidly than the others. So yeah, it's a fantastic bit of kit. So I definitely recommend the Ring Smart Tyre Inflator. Anyway, that's enough from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!